Good morning, my dear students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. Welcome to all of you to this video lecture. I am Manojit Kumar Bishwas, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. My dear students, time and tide wait for none. So you should practice continuously. Okay, dear students. Now let's go. However, my dear students, today I want to solve a very important math from chapter number 2, that is accounting for partnership business. My dear students, you know that this chapter is very large, so you should be more attentive. My dear students, at first we want to see a math. A, B and C are three partners in a partnership business. They share the profit or loss of the business in the ratio 6:4:2. Their capitals as on 1st January 2019 were taka 1,20,000, taka 80,000 and taka 40,000 respectively. In the partnership deed, there was clause that interest on capital and drawings should be charged at the rate of 5%. B would get salary at taka 5,000 per month for this full-time service. On 1st July 2019, C contributed taka 20,000 to the business as additional capital. And on the same date, A brought taka 50,000 as loan to the business. Partners drawing the year were taka 22,000, 14,000 and 10,000 respectively. Interest on drawings were ascertained taka 550, 350 and 250 respectively. Beside this, A drew goods from the business taka 2,000. At the end of the year, due trade expenses were taka 900. The net profit of the business for the year ended 31st December 2019 before making any provision for the above adjustments were taka 1,20,000. My dear students, now requirements. Requirement A. Determine the amount of interest on capital and interest on loan. Requirement B. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Requirement C. Prepare partners capital account. My dear students, now solution. My dear students, we know that this is our revision class. Okay. Now requirement A. At first, calculation of interest on capital. My dear students, we know that in this business there are three partners. Partner A, 1,20,000 into 5%. So, interest 6,000 taka. For B, taka 80,000 into 5% is equal to 4,000 taka. For C, at first opening capital 40,000 into 5% plus additional capital 20,000 into 5% divided 2 into 1. Total 2,500 taka. So grand total 12,500 taka. Now calculation of interest on loan. 50,000 taka into 6% divided 2 into 1, 1,500 taka. If interest rate is not mentioned in the question, then rate of interest will be 6%. My dear student, mind it. My dear students, now requirement B, that is profit and loss appropriation account. My dear students, we know that profit and loss appropriation account will be started with net profit. My dear students, we also know that net profit, that is credit side. So profit and loss account, net profit. My dear student, we know that from profit and loss account we can get net profit. Okay, my dear students. So under profit and loss account, net profit will be write down. Okay, 1,20,000 taka. Then all expenses debit side and all incomes for organization credit side. At first debit side, partners capital account, interest on capital. My dear student, mind it, from the starting to ending of the question there is no mention partners current account. So this math will have to solve under fluctuating capital method. Okay, my dear student. So partners capital account, interest on capital. Partner A 6,000 taka, partner B 4,000 taka and partner C 2,500 taka. Total 12,500 taka. My dear students, interest on capital is expense for the organization. Okay. Now B's capital account salary per month 5,000, so total 60,000 taka. A's loan account, interest on loan. My dear student, just mind it. A's loan account, that is interest on loan, always will be added to loan account. Okay, my dear student. So we have to write A's loan account, not A's capital account. Okay, 1,500 taka. Now trade expenses 900 taka. On the other hand side, credit side, partners current account, interest on drawings. My dear student, we know that interest on drawing is income for the organization, so credit side. Okay, now partner A 550 taka, partner B 350 taka and partner C 250 taka got from question. Total 1,150 taka. Now S capital account, goods drawing 2,000 taka. Now credit side, net profit 1,20,000 plus interest on drawings 1,150 taka plus goods drawing 2,000 taka. Total 1,23,150 taka. Transfer to debit side. Now 1,23,150 taka minus 12,500 taka minus 60,000 taka minus 1,500 taka minus 900 taka. Now we will get divisible profit 48,250 taka, which will be divided among the partners. At first, partner A 24,125 taka. How is it possible? My dear student, in the question mentioned that partners ratio 6:4:2. So at first we have to add 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 48,250 divided 12 into S ratio 6. So S profit 24,125 taka. Same way for B, 48,250 divided 12 into 4, that is 16,083 taka. Same way for C, 48,250 divided 12 into 2, that is 8,042 taka. Okay, my dear student, this is the solution of requirement B. Now requirement C. My dear students, we know that capital always credit. For this reason, credit side of partners capital account 2019 January 1st, balance BD for opening capital, partner A 1,20,000 taka, partner B 80,000 taka and partner C 40,000 taka. My dear students, we know that partner C contributed additional capital in this business. For this reason, July 1st, cash account 20,000 taka. Now December 31st, profit and loss appropriation account. At first, interest on capital. Partner A 6,000 taka, partner B 4,000 taka and partner C 2,500 taka. Salary, partner C 60,000 taka. Now profit, partner A
24,125, partner B 16,083 and partner C 8,042 টাকা. Now debit side of partner's capital account. At first, drawings account 2019 December 31st, partner A 22,000 টাকা, partner B 14,000 টাকা and partner C 10,000 টাকা. Now December 31st, profit and loss appropriation account. At first, interest on drawings, partner A 550, partner B 350 and partner C 250 টাকা. Now goods drawing only for partner A 850 টাকা. Now credit side of partner's capital account, total of A 1,50,125, partner B 1,83 and partner C 1,30,542 টাকা. Now transfer to debit side. At first, for partner A 1,50,125 minus 22,000 টাকা minus 550 টাকা minus 850 টাকা. Now balance 1,26,725 টাকা, which will be transferred to credit side, that is 2020 January 1st balance BD. Okay my dear student, same way B and C. Thank you so much. Next, see you.